How to garden in the colonial times. Imagine creating a garden in the colonial times. No modern tools, no gardening uniforms or aprons. Learn how to do it in 3, 2, 1, 0. The first step is to choose what type of garden you would like. There are many types of gardens, such as flower gardens, vegetable gardens. You can even make hummingbird or butterfly gardens. That is a garden that is supposed to attract hummingbirds and butterflies. My example is a flower garden. They are beautiful. Step 2. Find out how much space you have in your garden. To do that, you have to measure how much space you have in your garden. Width times length equals area, / how much space you have. That was my example of a perfect field. Step 3. You would have to find out how much sun your plants will get. Step 4. You will have to prepare all your garden materials. Step 5 is all about the soil. You have to test and prepare your soil. Step 6. You will have to research your area. You will have to find the best soil and then find out all the native plants in the area. Step 7. You would gather all your tools, every single one. Step 8. Think of how you would want to start your plants. You can start it with seeds or flower pots, like the ones you get from the store. Step 9 is super fun. It is arranging all your plants, and you have to make sure you have enough space for all your plants. You should check out flower bulbs and see if you like any. You should also try and find out if you want to start your plants from seeds before you do this stuff. I already said that in step 8. Step 10. Then you should add mulch. Mulch is what you use to cover the roots of your plants. For vegetables, you would add decomposed leaves or straw. Flowers would use bark or wood chips. The next step is to water your garden. You should start weeding your garden regularly. And you should think of putting a garden fence around your now growing garden. When all your plants are grown, you should start harvesting the vegetables you grow. The end.